Chiefs, yeah, to network.
Yeah, through network.
Heartbeat of the Khosi Nation.
Khosi Nation. Love and peace.
Welcome to Kaizer Chiefs here to network. I'm your host, Sphiwe Makeleni. As always, Sphiwe Matwane.
Sure.
Mapuana. Kaizer Chiefs, it's willing to offer Stellenbosch 2 players and just for them to get Langelihle for a swap Langelihle Pili. So what's your take regarding that decision?
Yeah, well, right now Chiefs is in a position where they need a marquee signing.
Yeah.
They need a signing that's going to say, hey, at least the Chiefs na signing. They need a signing that's going to give the entire supporters, the entire sponsors a morale. With the issue of Maccabi, Hlodile Lepo, hanging in the balance where he, of course, he was there in one of the training sessions, as we know now that he was there, but we know that his heart is not there. His body was there, but his heart was not there. You know that. We know that he was happy with the people that recruited him, Abonabi and Abokazi. They could also speak his language. I know that he speaks French, Congo. So also the coach speaks French because he's from France. So maybe he can have a change of heart, but according to how things are sometimes, it's not advisable to keep hold of a player that's not happy. Although he's our best player, it would be a good thing to keep him. But what if you keep him and then his market value drops next season because he does not perform well, and then he's left with 1 year in his contract? Now you want to sell him and you can't sell him for that amount of money. So if the 16.5 is on the table, take that 16.5. You know, you would have got profit because I'm taking Abuma 9 point something, 26 million profit. You would have got profit. Take that money and do whatever it takes to get Langelihle Pili. There are players that we thought that they're going to have taken them by now, but they have not. To our surprise.
They are always dragging their feet, as always.
So they have not. With Shalulile, I've got to find some information that Sundowns ngathi ayifuna uShalulile abe local.
Okay.
Ifuna ukuthi baye because bayazi ukuthi once wabala uzobabulala.
Yeah, definitely.
Uyangithola ngoba nePirates ahead ukuthi yamfuna nathi, but they don't want that. They want him to go outside of the country. So that's good for them.
Even regarding this boy Langelihle Pili, they also don't want him to be local. There's an interest of a team overseas who want to buy him.
Langelihle Pili, what I like about him is that he is 16 million. More than 16 million, I'm told. He's 16.
And Stellenbosch does not want to swap. They want to bafuna return of investment.
Yeah, but even if they want to praise, they actually agreed with Dupreez. But even if they get Dupreez, they still want money. That's how nice. They are in a good position because Dupreez can go to Stellenbosch and suddenly transform and become a good player. Abakorela by 7. So they would have not lost Boni because they still have good strikers. But George for free. So, anyways, his contract had expired. But you will see the best of George in Cape Town. You'll see him next season.
You know, it reminds me of Sabo Khalili. They are buying players. Kaizer Chiefs.
They're taking them.
They're taking them. You know, and I think it reminds me.
No, not Morris.
In fact, it reminds me of Stuart Baxter when he took they took him players with Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, he took them.
Who's this guy? The guy was married to my boy Litsolonyani. He took up Litsolonyani. He took, and we had a competition when Stellenbosch was playing against Ilocos. Was playing against Stellenbosch when SuperSport was playing against the Kaizer Chiefs. So do you think are we going to have the very same thing similar because of these guys? Remember, they were coaches. They know these players. Kaizer Chiefs didn't buy a lot of players. We only know of 2 players.
Yeah, they didn't buy no one. You are giving them credit.
They bought no one.
They signed 2 players on free.
My bad.
They didn't buy no one. You are saying they bought 2. They didn't buy anyone. So it's a window that's closed
I mean,
for Chiefs.
window.
So anyways, no, Chiefs, for me, my guy, anybody who plays against their former team wants to show them why.
Yeah, definitely.
It does not matter whether you are leaving Kaizer Chiefs or you are leaving Pirates or you are leaving Tata Pushbucks, going to Moroka Swallows or you are going to Hellenic or Arcadia Chiefs. When you leave your ex, you want to show them why Bohamba.
There's this boy who was this last season. Abu Khalil, I think they released him. He scored. I think he was playing Mklatuz, Yongobi Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs, he lose. That boy scored. Then after scoring, when they substituted him, he went on Kawalai.
That one is Siwelele. You are talking about who's this boy? Yeah, this boy. Oh, he plays for Siwelele. That boy went to greet the whole technical team. Who was there? He almost kissed them for the salary that they paid him, for the nutrition, for everything. So yeah, that is the young told. So that's soccer, young told. But anyways, Langali Kapili, my guy, is a hot topic right now,
he is,
and everyone wants him. You know?
I mean,
So for me, if Chiefs are serious, let them. Why don't they sign that player? But keep him album sign.
come on, man. Sign the player.
One player.
Sign the player. Just one player, true.
So
and
anyways,
also get us Ushalulile, man.
yeah. No, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. What else are you waiting for in the window? Any surprise that you're waiting for? You are not sure.
I'm not sure.
No, I'm not sure because Chiefs is not saying anything. I can't be sure. Thank you so much. You can tell us what else are you waiting for in this window. Drop us your comment and also please subscribe. This is Kaizer Chiefs Z2 Network. Love and peace.
Love and peace.